वॅक्सिनेशनाच्या बाबतीत व्हॉट इज द रिलेशन? कारण आम्ही आता सद्याक जेन्ना मॉर्टेलिटी बुलेटीन येता, वन गुड थिंग इज दॅट तातूंत भितर डेटा आसता की हाऊ मेनी पीपल हॅड टेकन फर्स्ट डोस बी, ह्या सगळ्यो गजाली. सो इफ डॉक्टर प्रशांत कॅन टेल अस till now the data that government has, what is the relationship between vaccine, फर्स्ट डोस घेतली तातूंतली कितली जाणांक मरण आयले, सेकंड डोस घेवनूय जांचे जाल्ले तांकां कितली जाणांक मरण आयले? इफ डॉक्टर प्रशांत कॅन टेल अस. डॉक्टर प्लीज गो अहेड, टेल अस व्हॉट इज युअर डेटा सेइंग.
So data which we have compiled, data, आम्ही जे data घेतला, that is from 24th April onwards. 24th April onwards. So 24th April onwards, the total death what we have got is 1,784. Okay. So 24th April onwards, the total deaths are 1,784. आणि त्याच्या भितर फक्त 160 people have taken first dose. First dose. And people who have taken both the dose are only six. Only six. बोथ डोसेस कोणी घेतला ते फक्त 6 लोकांनी दोन डोस घेतला आणि 160 लोकांनी फर्स्ट डोस घेतला फक्त. डेटा आमच्याकडे जे अवेलेबल ना, दॅट इज इन 166 पीपल. 166 पीपल आमच्याकडे डेटा अवेलेबल ना, ड्यू टू सम रिझन. अँड पीपल हु हॅव नॉट टेकन टोटली, दॅट इज 1,469. So you can see the total death out of 1,784. Only 160 people have taken first dose.
Yeah.
So जर आम्ही असे पळयता, जर ह्या सगळ्या लोकांनी जर वॅक्सिन इफ दे वुड हॅव टेकन, then we would have avoided the mortality.
Just I'm asking this off the cuff. I don't know whether you have the data, but very interesting. Do you know by any stretch how many people had taken the vaccine, they got COVID and they recovered? By any chance you have that data?
At present that data we don't have. Okay, we are in a process of analyzing that data. Very soon we can also give that data.
I think that data will be, I think, very, very eye-opener data, because so many people got vaccine, got COVID, recovered with very mild these things. But death, I think, very, very clear. 1,784 deaths post 24th April. 160 deaths of people who have taken vaccine dose once, first dose, and only 6 cases of people who have taken second dose.
And even I would like to go and tell you something details about the 6 deaths also. The 6 deaths which has happened who have taken 2 doses, and after that deaths have happened. Out of that, one patient is 71-year-old with hypertension and osteosarcoma. Okay. One is with comorbidity. Mostly all are with comorbid.
Okay.
Someone is having chronic kidney disease. Someone is heart disease. Someone is having diabetes with hypertension. Okay. Two people are having heart diseases. Yeah. So you can say most of them are above 65, and only one patient is around 44-year-old, and that patient is also a heart disease patient. So comorbidity is there. So that is what. So
I think very crucial data, Dr. Prashant. Thanks a lot for joining. जशी दीस वतात तशी परत उलोवया. हांव सदांच हें म्हणटा, कारण जो डेटा आमचे म्हऱ्याक येता, तुमी कोलेक्ट करतात, लोकां मेरेन पावयतात, तातूंतल्यान म्हाका दिसता खुबश्या लोकांचे दोळे, कान, मनां सगळीं उगडटलीं.